Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you the professional way on how to color grade your image. So on this video right here I'm going to show you how to blend the skin tone and also how to color grade your image. So this is after I was done with the frequency separation, which is you can just see the before and after of it right here. So to blend the skin tone I'll be using the beauty retouch to do that. So I'm just going to come right to this magical skin tone right here. Then first of all I'll just click on it just like that. After clicking on it, you just allow it to load. Then you can now see it's downloading and it has a black mask on it. So to unveil what is on that mask, I'm just going to pick my brush tool and I'll just brush on just the skin area to unveil what's here. So to do that, make sure you just right click, then you set your hardness to 60. I like using 60 and it works perfectly for me. Then after doing that, make sure your opacity is at 100 and your flow at 100. And also for the foreground color, change it to white. So because you're unveiling what is on the black, so let's just get started. I'll just paint it through like this. Just like this. So to see what's that, I'll just click on this key after the bracket on the keyboard. I'll just change it to white. Then this helps to know where the effect is being added and where you have painted through. So you need to be careful on this right here, just like this. Then I'll just brush it just like this. So there are other ways you can just pick all this, just the skin area, you can select it, but on this video I'm just going to show you guys the basics of it, which professionally you just brush it just like this. I'll just brush it. So while doing yours you need to be very careful on this process right here, so you won't end up ruining the image. So because if it enters any other part apart from just the skin, it will look somehow and you might not like the outcome of it. So make sure you just paint just the skin area. So after the bracket you can just press the key on your keyboard to show you this, so that you can just know where the effect is being added on. While you're practicing yours, you need to take your time in doing this process right here. So this is a tutorial video, that's why I'm actually rushing, just so I can just tell you the basic things and also to show you how to do it in a very short while. So that's just what my channel is all about. So I'll encourage you to subscribe just so you can be among the journey of knowing Photoshop. So I'll just brush it like this. Just going to brush it. And when brushing yours, as I said earlier, you need to be careful. You don't have to follow me the way I'm brushing. This is a tutorial video, as I said earlier. So I think I've brushed out the skin area, and once I'm done I'll just come back to the key and press it again. So this is the before and this is the after. You might not really see the effect, but it has actually even the skin tone. So if you come to, if you can see, this neck area is kind of dark. To brighten it a bit, I'm just going to pick on the move tool, then I'll come to the layer mask, press and hold my command, then click on the mask. It will select just where I painted. Though I'll just come to the lasso tool, then I'll just press and hold my alt key to change it to minus. Then I'll just select the areas that are bright off, because I just want to brighten the dark area. I'm just going to select it off just like this. So once I'm done selecting, I'll just right click, then I'll now come to the feeder. I'll add the fader to 66 I'll click OK. Then I'll just brighten it a bit, just like this. After brightening it, make sure you bring the curve layer right here below the skin tone correction, so you guys can see. And let me show you the side I brightened. So this is how it's looking, and it's looking more even now. So the next thing is to color grade. I'll be using a LUT to do that. So there is also a link on the description to get my LUT. It's actually pretty nice and awesome in color grading. So let me just show you. I'll come and click the color lookup. After clicking on it, just locate where you have load 3D LUT. Just click on it, and what you're seeing right here is actually the build, like the built-in LUTs that comes with Photoshop right here. Sorry about the English. So I'm not going to use any of these. I'll just click on the load 3D LUT, and it will actually show me my file. So I'll click on the desktop. I'll try and locate where I have the LUT, which is right here. So I'm just see the picture of the package here. So if you click on the link, make sure you locate this package, and I'll test the 3 LUTs inside the package. Whichever works perfectly. I'll start by loading the one. Then after loading the one, it's actually giving me a melanin kind of tone. I don't really need that. So I'll come and still click on the color lookup, then still repeat the same process. Then I'll now click on 2. After clicking on 2, it's still trying to tame the colors. Then I'll try the 3. I'll still click on it, then come back to the load 3D LUT. Then I'll also click on the 3. Perfect. So this is actually the tone I want. So after I'm applying this, if you think the effect is too much, you can just reduce the opacity here. So I'll just set the opacity to 80. So this is it. And let me group what I just did on this video and show you the color grading. Let me name this color grade, just like this. Sorry, let me add G here. So let me show you. This is the before and this is the after. So this is the before and after. You can see how the image is looking right now. It's actually giving a really nice tone. So this is how I got to even the skin tone and also color grade using my LUT. So as I said earlier, if you're interested in getting LUT, there's a link on the description on the way to get my LUT. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Please make sure you like and also subscribe. If you're having difficulties in anything in Photoshop, you can just drop on the comment. I'll make sure I drop a video on that for you. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned.